notification of the morning!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 432 in effect until 12 noon Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Benton, and Washington; in Missouri, Berry and McDonald; in Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Delaware, Maize, Ottawa, and Wagoner. Tornadoes. Hail up to quarter size and wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour will be possible in and close to the watch area. Average storm movement is expected to be to the northeast at 40 miles an hour. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
I was beginning to think we weren't going to get anything.
At 7:10 a.m., National Weather Service radars continue to detect thunderstorms moving northeast at 30 miles per hour across much of northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Through 9 a.m., thunderstorms will continue to move northeast across eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour may occur from the strongest storms. A few storms will also be capable of producing gusty winds and small hail. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for southeastern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding in the advisory area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen over part of the advisory area. Some locations that may experience flooding include Tahlequah, Fort Gibson, Westville, West Siloam Springs, Hulbert, Watts, Eldon, Proctor, Scraper, Sequoia State Park, Ballard, Lost City, Natural Falls State Park. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In heavy rain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, and Delaware. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for southwestern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, central Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding in the advisory area. Radar estimates of 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen across part of the advisory area. Some locations that may experience flooding include Stilwell, Prairie Grove, Lincoln, Westville, Adair State Park, Christie, Cincinnati, Marietta, Barron, Prairie Grove Battlefield State, Clyde, Rhea, King Hill, Hogai, Summers, Marl, Viney Grove. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In heavy rain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Washington, Arkansas, and Adair, Oklahoma.
The lightning is absolutely
The
nuts.
National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for Franklin County in west central Arkansas, eastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, northeastern.
Oh my word! Either my Midland turned off.
At 6:38
Yeah, my Midland turned off.
p.m. Central Daylight
Okay.
Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause urban and small stream flooding in the advisory area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Ozark, Charleston, Mulberry, Dyer, Altus, Branch, Denning, Winterkill Village, Cass, Lake Fort Smith, Fern, Fort Chaffee, Coxville, Jethro, Bidville, Locke, Turner's Bend, Mount Gaylor, Vesta, Cecil. Additional rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. This includes Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 18 and 42. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated or ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas: Crawford, Franklin, and Sebastian. Flash flood watch remains in effect through Monday morning. The flash flood watch continues for portions of Arkansas and Oklahoma, including the following counties in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington are. In Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington. Okay. Through Monday morning, additional rounds of thunderstorms containing heavy rainfall are expected from this morning through early Monday morning. Storm total rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches, with local amounts of 6 to 8 inches will be possible. Given the continued saturated soils, much of this will become runoff and could lead to flash flooding, as well as rises on area main stem rivers. Heavy rains flood roads and low-lying areas rapidly. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles, and flooding is the leading cause of weather-related deaths. Flooding is especially dangerous at night, when it is difficult to gauge how much water is on a road. A flash flood watch means rapidly rising water or flooding is possible within the watch area. Repeating, a flash flood watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington, and the following counties in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 52 in Fayetteville, Arkansas. These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in northwest Arkansas and serve Fayetteville and surrounding areas. The current time is 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
There's a little bit of interference
At
there.
7 a.m. at Drake Field and Fayetteville, heavy rain and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 3/4 of a mile. The temperature was 67, dew point 66, relative humidity 97%. The wind was east at 9. The pressure was 29.88 inches and falling. Around Arkansas this hour, at the Northwest Arkansas Regional Airport, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 68. The wind was southeast at 7. At Fort Smith, it was cloudy with a temperature of 73. The wind was east at 5. In Little Rock, it was cloudy with a temperature of 78. The wind was south at 8. At Harrison, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 68. The wind was southeast at 14. In Hot Springs, it was cloudy with a temperature of 82. The wind was south at 9. around the region. In Tulsa, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 72. In Muskogee, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 74. In McAllister, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 80. In Springfield, light rain was falling with a temperature of 67.
Talk about some interference.
In Dublin, light rain was falling with a temperature of 67. And in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was cloudy with a temperature of 81. Once again, at Fort Smith, it was cloudy with a temperature of 73. At Fayetteville, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 67. The Fayetteville, Arkansas climate summary for yesterday, June 22nd, 2019. Yesterday's high temperature was 88 degrees and the low 69 for a mean temperature of 79 degrees and was 4 degrees above the normal of 75. 0.33 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 4.66 inches. This is 0.88 inches above the normal amount of 3.78 inches for June. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 27.18 inches, which is 3.19 inches above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 86 degrees, and the normal low is 64. The record high for today is 98, which occurred in 1988, and the record low is 53, which occurred in 2001. Sunrise today is at 6:01 a.m. and sunset is at 8:37 p.m. The forecast for the Fayetteville area, including much of the Arkansas Ozarks and adjacent counties of northeast Oklahoma. Today, showers and thunderstorms likely early in the morning, then occasional showers and thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall possible. Highs around 80. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Interference again.
After midnight. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Light winds. Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds up to 10 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Thursday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Saturday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 432 in effect until 12 noon Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area in Arkansas, Benton, and Washington. In Missouri.
Talk about a long list of warnings, but captured another one, guys, so I'll be back soon with more notifications. I hope I'll stay safe. I'm going to try my best, but today is going to be a crazy one.